Hello and welcome back to our second tutorial of the HTML and CSS website. We will learn here web designing and we will build websites as well using HTML and CSS. Again, welcome aboard and little bit about me. I'm Raj and we are doing this session and this is the second part of it. So what are the web designs? So basically whatever the static website and development you do, we do using HTML and CSS, right? So let's see ahead what is HTML. So basically HTML is a hypertext markup language. In using that, see here, HTML stands for hypertext markup language, right? It is the standard markup language for creating web pages. So basically this is kind of a skeleton which you provide to your website, right? This here you decide frames, text, how it looks, and everything will be starting with a skeleton, which is HTML here. It describes the structure of a web page, like how your web page structure is going to be. It consists of a series of elements, like there are elements and tags. We will learn next in the series that what are elements and tags you will consider. This is okay. Yeah. So it consists of a series of elements. Then HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content. So it tells how to display the content, basically like where the frames is going to be, where the image is going to be, how it is going to look. Everything will be decided by HTML. So in the beginning stage, just remember this, that whatever displays, whatever thing is displayed, it is displayed by on HTML. Fine. And next, see, let me show you the sample. Okay, this is the sample how this is structure looks. Basically, see, it starts with the HTML tag, ends with the HTML tag, and everything needs to be between these two things, both HTML tags, right? So after that, excuse me, after that, two things needs to be there, head and body tag, right? Inside HTML, head contains a title, header, and lot of things that you will learn. And another thing is body content. Body contains paragraph and whatever forms and whatever include in the whatever you want to include in your website, everything that it should be there in the body tag itself, right? So this is the simplest thing that you would see here. This is, and we will add lot of things later in the time. So print like this. If you want to add, just pause this and type this, you will get this kind of output. And here in title, see on top of it, here top of the screen, you will see title also, hello, I am a dummy text, and this is a simple paragraph. Fine. Then what is CSS? So CSS stands for cascading style sheet, and basically what this CSS does is it styles your HTML elements. Whatever you do, let's suppose you create a frame. So in that frame, what that frame position should be, what the boundaries should be, how that it should look, what is the size of it, and basically it kind of वो कपड़े पहनाता है HTML को. I hope you are getting it, right? I am using the simple language as possible. HTML एक skeleton है और उसको कपड़े पहनाने के लिए it is a CSS which makes it look beautiful. So CSS is for the same thing. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on a screen. So that's what I said, right? कि वो कैसा दिखना चाहिए, paper and on other media. CSS saves a lots of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in CSS. Okay, there are two type of style sheets, internal and external. That I will tell you in the later in the course. Fine. Let's move little bit ahead. So ये एक basic HTML and CSS की HTML क्या होता है, CSS क्या होता है, so that you can get clear. So basic ये एक सिर्फ simple concepts है जो हमें वेबसाइट बनाने के लिए काम आते हैं. चाहे वो कैसी भी वेबसाइट बना रहे हो, हमें HTML और CSS की सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत पड़ती है. And there are a lot of advanced technologies are there which we use, for which we will I will make another course on it also, include that with in the link as well. But right now you should have to learn this thing. Okay, so what is JavaScript now? JavaScript is the thing that gives a action or moment to like a website, like what action they will do. It is kind of a brain for a website. Like we have a brain, and that brain, JavaScript is a brain for a website, basically. So JavaScript is the most popular program. This is a program like whatever logic you will apply, whatever interactions, animations, effects, everything is there in JavaScript. It can modify CSS and HTML. It can modify CSS and HTML also, right? So it is over everyone. Like it can do anything, everything, and we can make it do anything on HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS के साथ कुछ भी कर सकता है, जो भी हम चाहते हैं उसके साथ करने के लिए, जो भी चेंजेस हम चाहते हैं वो चेंजेस हम HTML और CSS को यूज करके कर सकते हैं. Fine. And whatever doubts if you guys have in the basics, you can ask me in doubts. I will reply. I will definitely reply to that. Fine. Your basic needs to be clear. Anyone have any doubt why HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Let me know. I will tell you in detail again. Fine. Okay, then if you have any queries, let me know. See you in the next lecture.